Welcome to Auto Traction Channel, where today we explore the fierce and futuristic 2026 TAI Kaan fighter jet, a game-changing leap in aerial combat technology developed by Turkish aerospace industries. This fifth-generation stealth jet is designed to elevate Turkey's air power and rival some of the most advanced fighter aircraft globally. The TF Kaan's design is aggressive and tactical, featuring a twin-engine layout, sharp angles, and internal weapon bays. These design choices support its stealth capability, making it harder to detect on radar. With radar-absorbent materials and minimized heat signature, this aircraft can enter hostile zones undetected and leave without a trace. Its power comes from two state-of-the-art engines that provide supersonic flight speeds, including supercruise capability. That means the TF Kaan can maintain high speeds without afterburners, saving fuel and reducing visibility to enemy sensors. It's agile, fast, and ready to dominate air-to-air or air-to-ground missions with precision. Inside the cockpit, the jet features a fully digital control interface, including touchscreen displays, AI-assisted navigation, and helmet-mounted targeting systems. Pilots are supported by an advanced sensor fusion system that combines data from radar, infrared, and satellite sources, offering a complete picture of the battlefield at all times. In terms of firepower, the TF Kaan is equipped with next-gen missiles and guided munitions stored internally to preserve stealth. It also has external hardpoints for added weaponry when needed. Whether in a dogfight or executing precision strikes, this aircraft brings versatility and lethality to every mission. What sets the TF Kaan apart is its adaptability. Designed with open architecture, it's ready to integrate future technologies like drone coordination, electronic warfare upgrades, and AI combat systems. It's not just a fighter, it's a flying command unit in the modern war environment. Thanks for watching this review on Auto Traction Channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more powerful